Here's how to fit the tow harness and brake controller to your BYD Shark 6 Performance. Then we'll hook up a trailer and test it for real. Step 1. Know your kit. You get a 12-pin harness, so you can run a 7-pin or a 12-pin setup, plus a Deutsch connector with a cover cap. The 4-meter extension cable is an option on the website. You'll want it. Step 2. Remove the factory plug. Phillips screwdriver, 2 screws each side. Then get under the car, find the harness, press the tab in, disconnect it, and pull it out the back. Step 3. Feed the new harness in from the back and mount it to the bracket. Quick tip, undo the bracket first with a 10mm socket, then reuse the original screws. Keep them loose so the bracket can swivel. The holes sit about 2mm out from factory, so it takes a bit of patience, but it lines up. Step 4. Route the cable neatly under the car and plug it into the factory plug. Cable tie the excess so nothing's hanging. Then connect your Deutsch connector to the brake controller wire, plug in the 4-meter extension, and run it forward along the chassis rail. Step 5. Into the cabin. Between the tub and the back of the cab, there's a grommet. That's your entry point. Inside, start with the lower horizontal trim panel. Get your fingers underneath at the back and lift it out. Then fold the middle seat down using the factory tab. Now pull the vertical rear trim off. Just pop your hand in behind it and pull. That gives you access to the rear carpet. Undo the 2 plastic nuts underneath. Pull the carpet back, and there's your grommet. Feed the cable through, then seal it up with silicone. That's what keeps water out on your crossings. Step 6. The wiring. Now listen up. On this harness, the red wire is not the positive. The black is. That goes to constant 12 volt, fused, straight to the battery. Solder your joins. Then run your earth to the factory earth point with a 10mm socket. And when you bolt that earth back on, put all the original wiring back with it, or you'll have electrical problems. Step 7. Mount the control module. Undo the 10mm bolts each side, lift the module carefully, slide the brake controller ECU underneath, and bolt it back down. Plug in your main harness, then your Type-C cable. Straight end here, right angle up at the mirror. Step 8. While you're in there, connect your power. Remember that black wire you fused earlier? Feed it underneath, nice and carefully. Then, take it across to one of the spare terminals on the fuse box. You don't need another fuse here, it's already fused. Just run a 10mm M6 nut onto the terminal and do it up tight. Then, pop your cover back on, nice and neat. Step 9. Run the Type-C to the windscreen. Tape it to a long cable tie to pull it through the tight spots. Run it behind the airbag, cable tie it as you go, and tuck it up under the roof lining. Plug the Type-C in, and it powers straight up. Step 11. Put your trim back on and test it. Hook up a trailer with electric brakes. Plug the harness in, tap the brakes, and the car drops straight into tow mode. Trailer connected. Select your trailer size preset, and you're set. Check your blinkers, check reverse, then unplug it, tap the brakes, and it drops straight back out of tow mode. No dramas. And that override lever? Hands stay on the wheel. If you ever get trailer sway, you don't look down, you just reach across. That's it. Tow harness and brake controller, done.